let's see how to make a robotic arm today. And I'll show you. This is how it looks. The things you need: hot glue gun, some straws, and string. So you don't know how much straw you want, so just take a pack of them. And sure, you need some cardboard and glue gun and Velcro. The first step to do this is take your arm. You could use your, if you want to do this for your right arm or left arm. If you want to do this for your right arm, you trace your right arm. And if you want to do it for your left arm, you trace your left arm. So be careful not to move your fingers while you're tracing. And then the next step, if you want help with the adult, you could get some adult help because some people will get hurt. And then the next step is you take some straws, as I told you. So first you need to put 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. And remember to put your dents too. And then you glue it with hot glue gun. And don't forget, you need to put 4 here and 3 in each finger, but not the thumb. So then at the back you put some, so it's gonna reach up here. So then you're gonna take a straw and put it here. So the next step is, now you take some Velcro. Now you glue it with hot glue gun. Oh no! My arm is walking on my fingers. You could try to do some things. The first project I want to tell you is you could attach a pencil like this. So you could use your arms to draw a picture, and it's okay if it's gonna be hard because it's hard for everybody. And now you need to take a can that's not like a soda can, but it shouldn't be so big or it shouldn't weigh too much. Then you could try to lift it up. Enjoy your robotic arm. Thanks for watching.